some sun showers. It was like really interesting. But today it's more like severe thunderstorms on the table, along with the potential for flooding. Right now it's quiet on our radar, not a lot going on, but as we widen things out, that high is weakening. That high has been keeping us dry. Figure it's sort of like our bodyguard, keeping things at bay, saying, you know what, stay out. We'll have some waves of low pressure riding alongside several fronts. We have a warm front just off to our southwest. That's going to continue to lift eventually, but we're on the cooler side of it right now. It is a bit humid. Level 1 out of 5 risk for excessive rainfall. A good part of our area, lower Hudson Valley, down in toward New Jersey, the 5 boroughs where we have excessive rainfall amounts. So, you know, you live in a basement apartment, you live in a flood-prone area, just be mindful that that's going to be a concern later on with a lot of rain in a short amount of time that could lead to flash flooding. So as we say, turn around, don't drown. Many deaths occur when cars are swept downstream. Remember, flooding is a #2 weather-related fatality, so it should be taken seriously. 6 inches of fast-moving water can knock over an adult. Think of what it could do to a child. 12 inches of rushing water can carry away most cars. 2 feet of rushing water can carry away most SUVs and trucks. So keep that in mind. Don't try to drive into floodwaters. You will be sorry. So just be safe out there. Level 1 out of 5 risk for your convective outlook. This kind of gauges whether or not we're going to get severe weather, the potential for severe weather, which includes damaging winds exceeding 57 miles per hour or greater. Or quarter-size hail or greater, just to give you an idea. 2 out of 5 risk for New Jersey, Staten Island, so greater chance south and west of the city. Here's a look at our precip futurecast. To time things out, there could be some showers as early as around the 10-11 o'clock hour north and west of the city. There may be even some showers along the North Shore of Long Island around lunchtime. Nothing widespread as yet, but once we head in toward the latter part of the afternoon, 1-2 o'clock, there will be some heavy downpours, as you can make out here, the yellows, the oranges. That represents just that. A little bit lighter, and again, this will fluctuate a bit. Heavy downpours during that evening commute. That's when a lot of folks are heading home, so keep that in mind. If you're heading to the World Cup event later on this evening, also factor that in. It does wind down a bit at around 5, but hold your horses because we do have another round. So figure this is coming in 2 rounds. So once we get to around 7 o'clock, we have another round coming through, and this one could really pack a punch. Why? Because that's when things are getting dark outside, so it's hard to see if there are floodwaters ahead of you. It does wind down at around the 11 o'clock hour, so between 11 and around 1, and then we're good to go. As far as rain totals, 1 to 2 inches on average, locally higher. We have Senegal and Norway later on this evening. Keep in mind the event could be impacted, and getting there could also be a problem. There's a look at your 7-day forecast. More rain later this week and warming up eventually. We'll send it over to Julie Millay.